It's finally here, my 56-inch roll cabinet from Harbor Freight. This is of course the US General Series 3. I got this for $600 on Christmas, so it took about a month to arrive. I picked this up from our local store yesterday with a friend's pickup truck. Before you leave, I highly suggest removing the outer packaging and making sure there's no major dings, dents, anything that would warrant a return. You don't want to have to haul this back after the fact. The easiest way to unload this is to, of course, remove the drawers. We removed all except for the power bank one. But if you have to, you just gotta push in these clips on both sides and pull it out. Also note that one of these smaller drawers contain a wooden ramp that you would use to roll this off the pallet. As to why the drawers are still out, well, here's the teaser. I actually do not like this lime green color. I prefer the purple, but as we all know, at the time of this video, there's no option for purple for the larger cabinets yet. Even if there was, it might not be the same metallic purple that's found on the jack stands. So here is where this comes into play, along with this. And of course, my most recent toy, this. If you're planning to do the same, consider getting a color that you don't mind having on the inside, because all these drawer slides are riveted in and not easy to remove. Right now, I'm not planning to show the actual process of sanding and painting this cabinet. If you would like to see that, please subscribe to this channel. That way I know that people are actually watching and can find this video. I know the algorithm is hard to beat sometimes. Regardless, I hope to have this done in a few months. It is really cold outside now, so I can't really spray anyways. Until then, I hope you all stay safe and see you all next time.